To another video. Today we are playing the Aeroplane story, the first one, and if this video does do well, then yeah, I might do a second one. So subscribe for a second one next. Anyways, so this game is about how people go on an aeroplane, but something might be different. I wonder what it is. Anyways, the captain said, "Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 1444. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the aeroplane." That's what I'm doing. Line of G7. G7. Korea consider, but yeah. Correct. Sponge plane. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay, right. Anyways, I just whispered to myself, but I'm here. Alright. Oh god. 2 people got turbulence. 3 people actually. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for your cooperation. We can get up now. I'm gonna stay messy. But yeah. Get ready as our crew prepares for a snack for everyone. Let's go. I would love a snack. Where is the snack? Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We'll be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Oh no, I ate the sandwich on accident. Oh no. Wait. Are these sandwiches? Wait, what happened? I'm not feeling very well. Oh no, don't tell me. Oh, phew. I literally just went quiet. I was trying to look for it. Oh, that's good. At least this guy's okay. It's hot tails. You have to do nothing, but it's fine. Good afternoon. Hang on as we try to fix it. What happened? What? Guys, something with red eyes. What is that? Me will not survive. Oh no. It goes. Snakes. What? Snakes were. Oh, there. Snakes never getting me. I'm gonna stand here. Snakes are right there. I'm gonna go have to jump. I'll blow them away. Come, snake. Where's the on the guy's skin? That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Yeah, Vulcan. What should we do? What the hell? Oh, hell no. What is this guy yapping about? Okay. Right. We would take powers back up. That's me. I'm happy I talk for once. And snakes are gone. Thank God. This was meant to be a normal ride, guys. I wanted to go to the Rohamas. You know, the creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Tell me. Can you tell me? Attention passengers, I have good news and bad news. Tell us the bad news first. He's going to tell us the good news, watch. Yeah, the good news is the power's back up. Yes. Let's go. Power's back up, yeah. The bad news is that we are losing significant amount of oxygen. Marshall, drop over your seat. Take one quick. Okay, I got one anyways. You know what, it's fine. I'll just sit here. God. What is this? Looks like we have a bomb. Oh no. What are we gonna do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. You guys need to calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save 2-5. Let's go. I found it. I'm cutting the blue one. I'll cut the blue cable. No! Yes! Yes! I saved you! This guy's been targeted. Let's go! We did it. You're lucky, mate. I choose blue. You're lucky. But what's happening now? I wanted to go to the Rohamas and this happened. Guys, we haven't heard of the crew in a while. Look for them and check if anything. We need to find a captain quickly so we can get the captain's room. It's locked. I won't be able to open it. Hurry up. Oh, 7621. 7621, guys. Wait, do we need to get the code? Found the code. Oh, good. Alright, we need to check what's happening. Captain, are you okay? Because we haven't heard from you in a while. Captain. Look who's there. It's the creature. Danger. What happened to Captain? You will pay for what you've done. What did we do? Run, guys. You think you're here on accident? But you're not. But then what is it? I brought you here. All of you. What for? That is not possible. Why is all of this happening if I want to go to the Rohamas? It is. And now it's time to die. No, run. Guys, run. See you in the afterlife. Guys! He disappeared. He disappeared, guys. He's disappearing. Be on my seat. First, how many people? There's 3 people, including me. Guys, the captain is unconscious. Guys, we need to lock in, okay? You listening? Yes? The plane is falling. Guys, come on, we can do this. What are we going to do? Are we going to do? Come on, we can do this, guys. We need to find the autopilot button. We do, guys. Guys, lock in, guys. Come on. Click everything and find that button before we die. Why did the music stop? You found it! Yo, you're safe here. Shock. We did it. We saved the plane. Wait, what about the monster? Where is he going? It's been a crazy flight we have. Just wanted to be home already. Okay, we need to get this pilot to the hospital. Don't think he's alright. All we need to do is find the emergency van so we can call for help. Found it. But what happened to the monster? Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. This was a horrific flight, wasn't it? Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control. You guys are on it. There is one last task out for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. Let's go. But why is this such a danger? Okay, everyone, I got this. Why is it danger? That's the only reason. What happened? Wait. There's the creature. Oh no. It's just back. What is happening? These humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. No. I'm not crashing. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. What? I'm not crashing. It's gone. It's gone. Oh no. Wait. He said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Let's go. We survived the plane, guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe, and I might make a part 2. You never know. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe. I've said it twice already, but yeah, I don't care. This was good. Anyways, bye.